Every home should feel like a place to relax, recharge, and enjoy daily life. When outside noise and uncomfortable indoor conditions interfere with that sense of calm, the home's overall comfort suffers. One often overlooked source of these issues is the front or exterior door. For homeowners in Pell City, replacing older doors can significantly reduce noise intrusion and improve indoor comfort throughout the home. Why doors affect noise and comfort? Exterior doors serve as a barrier between the indoors and the outside environment. Over time, older doors can develop gaps, worn seals, or structural weaknesses that allow sound and air to pass through. In Pell City homes, these issues often result in noticeable street noise, drafts near entryways, and temperature fluctuations that make indoor spaces less comfortable. Even small gaps can make a big difference in how a home feels. Reducing outside noise with a better seal. Noise travels easily through openings around doors. When a door doesn't close tightly, outside sounds can enter without much resistance. Replacement doors are designed to fit securely within the frame. For Pell City homeowners, this tight fit helps block unwanted noise, creating a quieter indoor environment. Everyday sounds from traffic or nearby activity become less noticeable, allowing the home to feel more peaceful. Improving comfort near entryways. Drafts near doors often make entryways uncomfortable. These temperature changes can affect nearby rooms and disrupt indoor comfort. Replacing older doors helps eliminate these drafts. Pell City homeowners often notice that entry areas feel more stable and comfortable once air leaks are addressed. Supporting consistent indoor temperatures. Doors that leak air allow outside temperatures to influence indoor conditions. This can lead to rooms feeling warmer or cooler than expected. Replacement doors help maintain consistent indoor temperatures by acting as a stronger barrier. In Pell City homes, this results in a more balanced and predictable indoor environment. Enhancing daily living spaces. When noise and drafts are reduced, living spaces become more usable. Seating areas near entryways no longer feel uncomfortable or distracting. Pell City homeowners appreciate how replacement doors make it easier to enjoy every part of the home. Quiet, comfortable spaces support relaxation and everyday routines. Reducing the need for temporary fixes. Many homeowners rely on draft blockers, rugs, or heavy curtains to compensate for uncomfortable doors. While these solutions help temporarily, they don't address the root issue. Replacement doors eliminate the need for these workarounds. Pell City homeowners enjoy a cleaner, more reliable solution that improves comfort without extra effort. Supporting more efficient indoor systems. When doors allow air to escape or enter freely, indoor systems must work harder to maintain comfort. By reducing air leaks, replacement doors help Pell City homes operate more efficiently. This supports improved comfort while reducing unnecessary system strain. Long-term performance and reliability. Replacement doors are built to maintain their shape and seal over time. Proper installation ensures continued performance. Pell City homeowners benefit from doors that continue to reduce noise and support comfort year after year without frequent adjustments or repairs. Improving overall quality of life at home. Comfort and quiet play a major role in how a home is experienced daily. Reducing noise and drafts helps create a calmer, more enjoyable environment. Replacement doors help Pell City homeowners transform their homes into spaces that feel peaceful and comfortable, even during busy times outside. A smart upgrade for comfort and quiet. Small upgrades can make a big difference when they address the right problem. For homeowners in Pell City, replacement doors reduce noise and improve indoor comfort by blocking sound, eliminating drafts, and stabilizing indoor temperatures. The result is a home that feels quieter, more comfortable, and easier to enjoy every day, making replacement doors a practical and valuable upgrade.